Hi children, how are you? I'm very happy to see you on my next video. Today I'm going to ask $1,000,000 questions. My first question is, which is the smallest planet in our solar system?
Pluto.
No, it's a wrong answer. Well, undoubtedly we have $1,000,000 questions. Let's see why is Pluto is not a planet. Why is Pluto not a planet anymore? Until the year 2005, every school science book taught us that there are 9 planets, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and of course Pluto, which was the smallest amongst all. This celestial body was discovered in 1930 by an American astronomer Cedar Thornbow, and since then everything was a smooth sail for students across the world. But on a warm day in August 2006, few scientists gathered at the International Astronomical Union in Paris and astounded the world by declaring Pluto as not a planet. After hearing this starting news, the Education Union took notes and changed the matter in the textbooks. But the vital question is, why did the scientist community take its title of planet away? Well, according to IAU, for the celestial body to be a planet, it needs to fulfill 3 essential criteria. First, the object should revolve around the sun. Second, the object should be spherical in shape. And thirdly, the area around its orbit should be clear and should not have any equivalent or a bigger celestial body. Meaning, with the help of its gravity, the planet should clear asteroidal and dwarf planets out of its way. I know what you are thinking. It's not Pluto, spherical and revolves around the sun. Yes, Pluto does fulfill these 2 conditions. But in the late 90s, space scientists found out that it doesn't meet the 3rd criteria, as it has clear and the object around its orbit, because of which it cannot be called a planet, and was dogged the status of Pluto. That of the dwarf planet. But Pluto is not the only one called the dwarf planet. Yes, in the Kuiper belt near Pluto, scientists found 2 planets, namely Haumea and Magme, which were just like a Pluto. Not only that, but in 2005, the explorers also discovered Eris, which looked bigger than Pluto itself. All these newly found space objects acted like Pluto, but were however similar to other planets in solar system. So that when IAU came up with this to help them and classify a planet, and according to it, Pluto and these other planets fit into the first 2 criteria, that is, they revolved around the sun and was spherical. But they didn't meet the 3rd, which started that the area surrounded should be clear. Hence, Pluto was out of team planet and later on a team dwarf planet. Thank you, children.